Yo, what's happening, my charge people? Hope you all stay in charge, yo. Thought we'd give you a little update on the Scrapline. We're scrapping it. Innit? I'm joking. Brother's been busy getting some bits for it. Let's show you. So, you've been busy with the getting some bits with the Scrapline, innit? Where have you been?
I have indeed. We've been all over the country, man.
I haven't been. He has.
I have, yeah.
In,
went to pick up the subframe.
Not just that. Went to pick up this.
This
Another Jap motor.
Jap scrap.
Don't know. Jap scrap.
Yeah, you got to stay charged, yo.
Stay charged, yo.
But yeah. So got the subframe, got the diff. Got half a prop shaft, need to get the other half, but off the same guy, which
nice,
I'm gonna get soon.
But yeah, where have you been travelling? Next places, yeah.
I went to Bournemouth just to pick up the engine and gearbox. I managed to get a gearbox. Did you say
what? Man's got an engine, yeah?
Man's got an engine, yeah. Picked it up already.
But it's not charged, yo.
It's not at the moment, but it will be. So picked up an engine, a gearbox, a petrol tank, just other loads of like little bits and bobs.
Let's show you a few little bits and bobs of what we've got right now with us.
Yeah, so right now we.
Oh yeah, man's got a diff there.
It's a welded diff off an R33 GTST.
You telling me man's going to be drifting this, yeah?
Going sideways.
Send it, fam, send it. You get me? Oh yeah, is that a wing?
It is indeed. It's a spoiler alert. We've got a spoiler alert right here.
Take it out then.
Yeah. Right.
Don't spoil the moment. Let's see how it looks.
There we go. Still got the.
All right.
Still got a plug for the brake light. And the little rubber tings. The little gasket.
What? The rubber tingy rapids, bro.
Rubber tingy rapids.
Let's see how it looks on the car though.
So it's going to go something along the lines.
It don't fit. Oh, that's a whack spoiler.
It's only a little one, isn't it? Little one.
Yeah, that's whack.
Oh no, I think I might need a bigger one, innit?
What do you lot think?
I think it's too small.
Man ain't winging it, is he?
I thought it might be alright, but
Do for the time being. But say you got what?
So got some new backlights for it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So I got a pair of those. They're obviously not fit.
I don't like that wing. I'm not happy with that.
Yeah, I'm not too pleased about that, to be honest.
Well, you're the one who bought it.
Does anyone want to buy a GTST spoiler for an R33 Skyline?
When I saw it, I was like, man ain't winging it. Anyways, what else you got in there?
So we got some side skirts.
Pull the skirt down. I meant out. Go on.
What side this is for?
Try it.
Let's have a quick look.
That is the other side.
No, it's not.
Wrong side, man.
Just like that.
That don't look right.
Yeah,
Does it?
The wingspan and whatnot.
Oh, sh.
Oh yeah, it's meant to do that, alright?
Mint.
Mint. And obviously we've got the rear over fenders.
Oh,
so we'll show you that in another video because we do have the rear over fenders to go on, but I can't show you that right now. We'll just stay in the garage. The garage is locked. I didn't bring the key because
that's a donut, innit?
it's one of them things.
Here, grab this.
So yeah.
Grab my sausage. No, I'm joking. Do you know what I'm going to do with these? I'm going to fix this. He wants to put the over fender straight on it.
I was just going to put them on Rago, innit? Rago.
Oh.
It's still solid metal under there.
Is it?
It's not rotten through nothing. Oh. Here's the fuel tank as well. So there's the fuel tank that I got as part of the engine gearbox. The other good thing, well, it's not a good thing, but it is a good thing, is that because all the panels and there's no interior or nothing, we can actually get to behind the rear quarters where exactly what he's doing. We can just literally beat them out, make it look suave again, you know what I mean?
Ow.
Be careful, yeah?
I'm not going to do it right now.
Yeah.
Need tools.
Need hammer and dolly and ting. Obviously there is a bit of rust down there and things. What do you expect, man? He's going to probably need seals, stuff like that. It is still quite solid.
That's just me tapping it.
Yeah.
Let's get a screwdriver on it.
Screw you, mate. So yeah, we'll show you what else we got in here. Oh wait.
Sort of downpipe.
Yeah, no, that's apparently stock, a brand new one.
Anyways, the main bits. Why you got a Peugeot manual in here? I'm joking, that's mine. I was having a little read. We have a subframe. Is that the front or the rear?
That's the rear subframe there.
Jeez.
Yep, exactly.
So you're telling me
can't wait to start.
they're gonna see it rolling?
Yeah, so I still obviously need to get suspension and.
But the main thing, we're gonna get it rolling.
We've got the rear subframe right there, and
what's in the bag,
if you're
yo?
looking,
Hold on.
if you have a look in, wait, let me grab it out.
Anyways, what's in the bag there, yo?
So as you can see,
Did
in
Santa
here,
come around?
we do have some arms in here.
Is that all the arms?
No, but we got the carriers for the hubs.
Oh.
So
Is that the front or the back?
These are the rear ones. So all of this stuff in here is all for the back. So the back will literally be rolling once I get some hubs. The hubs I'm probably going to buy some new ones.
Yeah, and what about the shafts?
What shafts?
Need to shaft in it into the diff, innit?
Oh, the drive shaft. Well, I do have half of it.
What?
Over here.
It's not that shaft. It'll roll without that.
Here's a shaft right here.
No, for the wheels, man.
For the wheels.
For the wheelie good times.
That I don't have at the moment, but I may have sourced some.
Unless you got some and you want to sell them to us, and yeah, we can get it rolling.
It's got to be cheap as chips because we're looking to spend very little on this project as we can. Obviously it's going to need a lot of money spent on it.
I might even paint it myself.
Yeah. You know?
And do the body work on it, so you've got to stay tuned for that. And let's see, let's put my skills to a test and see if man's still got it or not, because I'm actually qualified for bodywork and paint.
That's right.
Yeah, I might even start practice welding on this Scrapline.
There's a lot of work to be done on this car, but
You don't bloody say.
just a little bit of work. But yeah, obviously it's going to take time. Obviously we both working full time as well, so it's just a case of getting the time to literally do all the things that we need to do. Obviously get more parts as well. There's still going to be more parts coming. Obviously I still need to get all the front arms, bits and bobs and stuff like that.
So you tell me you ain't got them?
Bumpers, not at the moment, but they're all in the pipeline. But sourcing most of the bits.
Alright. So in the meantime, what the plan of action is, not right now, we just showed you a couple of bits and bobs. I would have liked to show you the engine and gearbox, but we've showed you like the side skirt, spoiler, got the rear subframe. What we're gonna aim to do is basically get that rear subframe on and the arms and everything, and then fit up the diff and whatnot, but
yeah, also
get it rolling for now, you know what I mean?
Exactly. That's the main thing, and then we can work towards everything else after that.
Once it's rolling, it's going to be going, and then after we get it rolling, I'm gonna probably attack them quarters, cause rather than you wanting to just stick some over fenders on it, I want to do it proper.
Proper jobby, yeah. Proper jobby.
Proper.
Might need to get a pair of wings.
What?
Yeah,
Oh,
there's a dent there.
yeah, I'll
This-
beat that.
Yeah.
Possibly.
So
Beat that. Bit of filler here and there. Oh, I don't need to do it right now, but
no, sort it.
yeah, I can basically,
just winging it, mate. We're just winging it.
I can panel beat that.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
That'll be the bonnet.
What? Are you mad? You need a
Oh,
new
for what?
bonnet. Maybe a Carbona bonnet.
Maybe.
Pop
But
the
again,
hood,
that's gonna
man.
be-
Pop the hood.
That's going to be further down the line.
Pop the hood. Oh, this is. Oh my god, that's kinked.
What?
Look at that.
Yeah, it is.
That's
Minor.
all kinked.
It's minor.
What?
We'll just bang it back out, you know what I mean? Bang it out.
Minor. I think I might need to go to a professional body shop, to be fair.
That is another thing.
After seeing that, is that structural? Maybe yes.
Yeah,
The rest of
probably
it,
in a wing.
things like that. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's getting worse.
Oh, would you look at that? There's the original colour.
Yes, we did. What are you wasting that for?
Yeah, we need to grind that back down.
Yeah, it does need a lot of work, as you guys can see. But yeah, we're always up for a challenge, aren't we? We love a challenge.
This is one of the biggest challenges like
It is
what
one of the
you've
biggest.
taken on, in fact. You madman.
Nut job. Bloody nut job.
What the bloody hell is that?
That's something. Windshield washer. That's what your screen wash means.
I needed one of those for the Peugeot once upon a time, but they are retrofitted.
Is that
Another one.
actual...
Yeah, you can fit washer fluid in there. That's.
Where's the pump?
Oh God Almighty. Anyways,
It's got a siren, alarm siren.
a few good things are happening then.
Yeah, a few goodies.
But yeah, it's not getting done in a day.
It's not a weekend project, obviously. So it's going to take a bit of time. But you guys can stay tuned, stay charged.
Hit
And
that
check out-
subscribe button,
Yeah.
like, share, comment, and stay charged, y'all.
Check out some more content of this coming up. We're going to be showing you guys the engine and all the other bits and bobs that
We
we're
need to start fitting some things.
Yeah,
But yeah,
exactly. We need to
other
get
than
the
that,
subframe on.
stay blessed,
Yeah.
stay tuned,
Stay charged.
stay charged, y'all. Cheers.